In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods in Hostinger. To get started, make sure you're already signed in to your Hostinger account so you can access your account settings without interruption. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, and that's where you'll begin. Go ahead and click the profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access several important settings related to your account. From that menu, click on Billing. This will take you to the billing section where Hostinger keeps all of your payment and subscription-related options in one place. After the billing page opens, look for the Payment Methods option and click on it. This section is specifically where you can view, manage, and add the ways you want to pay for services in your account. If you're setting this up for the first time, this page may look very simple, and that's completely normal. Next, click Add Payment Method. This will open the setup area where you can choose how you want to pay. Depending on what Hostinger currently supports in your region, you may see different payment options available, such as a credit card, debit card, or other supported methods. Take a moment to select the payment method that works best for you. Once you've selected a method, the next step is to fill in the necessary details. Enter the required information carefully and make sure everything is accurate before continuing. This is important because even a small mistake in the payment details can prevent the method from being saved successfully. If you're using a card, for example, double-check the card number, expiration date, and any other requested billing information before confirming. As you complete this step, it's also a good idea to review the page for any prompts, verification steps, or confirmation messages that may appear. Some payment methods may require an extra authorization step depending on your bank or provider. Once you've finished entering the details and saved the payment method, it should appear in your payment methods list and be ready to use for future purchases, renewals, or account-related billing. And that's it. That's how to add a payment method in Hostinger quickly and correctly. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same path anytime you want to add another payment option later.